Ha! A banana peel on Bunny's head!
It is rude to laugh on others, Rory.
Who could that be?
See, gorillas. They are the ones who are littering the place with the banana peels. Oh, there are a lot of gorillas. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 gorillas.
Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. S-E-V-E-N.